Ever wondered why coffee snobs can't stop arguing about French press versus Aeropress? I tested both for 30 days straight, and the results might surprise you. Here's the thing most people get wrong about these brewers. They think it's just about taste, but it's actually about your lifestyle. Let me break this down. The French press is like that reliable friend who never lets you down. 4 minutes, hot water, coarse grounds, press down, done. You get a full-bodied cup with oils and sediment that creates this rich, almost chewy texture, perfect for lazy Sunday mornings when you want that classic coffee ritual. But here's where it gets interesting. The Aeropress is the exact opposite philosophy. It's fast, clean, and ridiculously forgiving. 90 seconds and you've got crystal-clear coffee that tastes nothing like what most people expect. No bitterness, no over-extraction, just smooth liquid energy. Now here's the plot twist. After 30 days, I discovered something nobody talks about. The French press made better coffee when I had time to dial it in perfectly, but the Aeropress made consistently good coffee even when I was half asleep at 6 a.m. Price-wise, they're practically identical, both around $30 to $40. So it really comes down to this simple question. Are you someone who wants to slow down and savor the process? French press wins every time. You'll love the ritual, the body, the traditional feel, but if you're rushing out the door most mornings and just want reliably excellent coffee without thinking about it, Aeropress is your answer. The real winner? Having both. But if you can only choose one, ask yourself this. Do you drink coffee to slow down or speed up? Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3 Coffee Lover.